Let's talk about modal verbs and something called speculation. What is speculation? And how do we use modal verbs to do speculation? Keep watching and find out. Okay, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. How to use modal verbs for speculation. Let's get started. Speculation is a noun. To speculate is a verb. Speculation and speculate mean guessing possible answers to a question, to something that is unknown, without having enough information to be certain. So you guess. Synonyms of speculation are theorizing, think theory, hypothesizing, think hypothesis, conjecture, supposition, think suppose, and guesswork, the work of guessing. For example, I often speculate about what my dog may be thinking. This means I often wonder and guess what my dog may be thinking. Is he hungry? Is he tired? You get the idea. We, meaning people, often speculate about what the lives of famous people might be like. We often make guesses about their lives. They are rich and famous. We make guesses about what they do, right? Okay, we use the modal verbs could, may, might, must, and can't to speculate about events or situations. For example, here you can see the modal verb in the example we just talked about. Same with this one. So modal verbs are very common in sentences about speculation. Okay, let's talk about must. We use must when we are very confident that something is true. Let's think of a situation. You and your friend walk up to a store you want to enter, to look inside, to go shopping, and you notice the lights are off. You say to your friend, "They must be closed today." This means you are confident the store is closed because the lights are off, right? Another situation. You see a man walking down the street carrying a guitar. You might think to yourself, he must be a musician. This means you are confident the man is a musician because Well, he's carrying a guitar. Hi, guys. Just a short interruption. Please take a second and hit that like button. It really helps my channel. Thank you so much. Back to the video. Okay, let's talk about may, might, and could. We use may, might, and could when something is possible, but we don't know for certain. It's maybe 50-50. Situation. Your wristwatch suddenly stops working. Well, it may need a new battery, or it may be broken. It might need a new battery, or it might be broken. It could need a new battery, or it could be broken. The meanings are the same. And this means that both are possible. You don't know for sure. Maybe you're not an expert about watches, or maybe you didn't try either of the solutions. Okay, let's talk about can't. We use can't when we are very confident that something is not true, So must is confident something is true. Can't is confident something isn't true. Situation. Your friend tells you that he fought a grizzly bear with his bare hands and won. Well, that story can't be true. You're lying. This means you are very confident the story is made up. False. Okay, let's talk about grammar. In the present, we use modal verb plus infinitive. For example, they must be closed today. Modal verb infinitive. He must be a musician. It may need, it may be. That story can't be true. Modal verb plus infinitive. In the past, we use modal verb plus have plus past participle. Modal verb, have, past participle. Situation. You see a wallet on the ground. Someone must have dropped it. This means you are confident that someone dropped their wallet in the past. Situation. You arrive home on your motorcycle. Your wife sees that you are not wearing a helmet. She says, "Are you crazy? You could have been injured." You are fine, you are okay, nothing happened, but an injury was possible because you were not wearing a helmet. Okay, in the United Kingdom, people use can't plus have plus past participle when they are confident something isn't true. Can't. In North America, we use couldn't plus have plus past participle. When we are confident something isn't true. So, situation. You were late for work because the train came 20 minutes early. You tell your boss, and she says, "It's okay. You can't have known the train would be late." In North America, this is strange, but in the United Kingdom, can't have known is correct. It's okay. You couldn't have known the train would be late. This is more common in North America. Understand? Okay, let's talk about future. In the future, we use modal verb plus infinitive plus a future time expression. Situation. You have some extra money and you need a new computer. However, you want to wait for a good price. Of course. I may buy a computer on Black Friday if the price is right. Situation. You recently graduated high school. You are thinking about your options. I might apply to university in the fall. Okay. If you want to talk about things in progress or happening now or in the future, we use modal verb plus infinitive plus verb plus ing. I might apply to university in the fall, or I might go traveling instead. Go traveling. Might go traveling. Okay. Let me know your questions down below and your ideas for future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you learned something, and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. Also, hit that bell icon so YouTube tells you whenever I publish future videos. My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. I will see you in a future video. Bye for now.